Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. As you guys remember with the previous video, we installed the new bushings and we installed the new polyurethane bushes, we installed the brake pads and a few other things. But yeah, before we continue guys, please support my channel. Please hit that subscribe button at the bottom. I would really highly appreciate it. My goal now is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Maybe if we reach that amount, we can do something special. Let it be down in the comments, but first we must reach it. But it's hard work getting there. Anyway, let's continue. Enjoy.
I can fly.
So we did send this shaft in. As you guys remembered that this threads I showed you in the previous video. You just remove this nut. They've fixed the threads. Just see if I can focus it onto the camera now. You can see the threads. They've redone the threads, and then as well as they made me a new nut as well, so that we can use it here on the shaft. And yeah, it works well. It fits. So yeah, we're gonna put this in as well. This shaft we're gonna put in the control arms, and then as well we're gonna put the control arms, install the control arms. We're gonna put in the side shafts and as well as the swing arm. And yeah, then if that's done, then the car will be drivable again. There's a few other things that I saw as well that I want to just sort out quickly. I'll show you guys today, and then on the next video I will be test driving the car. I will not be doing it today. It's just I have too much things I need to do. I need to go to town as well. But anyway, with the next video I will be having a few friends over, and then I'm going to take them for the spin with the Nissan. I'm trying to find my GoPro. I really don't know where I've placed it. I've got no idea. The last time I've used it was with the Scirocco run when we went to Boksburg. And I know for a fact that I'll bring it back, but yeah, I don't know where I put it. Hopefully I'll find it before then. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm not going to talk the whole day. Let's get the shaft installed, and then we're going to go over to the control arms, and then the side shafts, then the swing arm. Then we can put the wheels back and put it on the ground, and then we're going to sort out the small thingy. Yeah, I'm about to install the control arms and the side shafts and the brakes and everything. So I'm gonna start one side. I'm gonna finish up the whole side. I'm gonna do the control arm, then the side shaft, then the brake, and then I'll put the wheel back. And then from there I'll carry on to the other side, installing it piece by piece. And then really super excited. I mean, this car's been standing now for a while that we didn't drive it. If I have to estimate, maybe a month. That's just too long. So yeah, we will finally sort it out today, get it back on the wheels, get it up and running, move it on its own weight. I'll be super happy. Just excuse me while I'm wearing my own personal earphones. It's just that I want a bit of music or a bit of background while I'm busy working. But yeah guys, let's continue. As you can see here, we've got all the new bolts and the washers and the rubbers and everything that we need, and all of the rest of the things. I just want to give a big shout out to Eugene, one of my friends that's working at General Auto Trading and Engineering. He's the one that's been assisting me with re-straightening the shafts that go through the hubs and the control arms, and also built me my new nut as well. So I really want to give a big shout out to him. quite dark outside. It's really difficult for me to carry on due to that when you look under the car it's pitch black, and as well if I can't see, obviously you guys can't see. So I did manage to install the control arms. I've done the side shafts is on, brakes are on, the wheels are on, all of the wheels are on. For now I did install or just placed the original rims on. You'll see in the upcoming videos, one of them, why I'm doing this. But yeah, I've installed the original wheels for now. And then what I'm gonna do now with the next video, obviously I told you guys we're gonna drive around, and I'm gonna show you guys how it pulls. We're gonna test it as well, and my friends are gonna drive with me. But the things that I have to fix before I go and drive it, I have to bleed the brakes, the swing arm as well. I have to install the bolts. It's just that I was struggling now, and it's getting dark and I can't see anything, and yeah, it's really a mess. As well as the fan, I need to wire the fan to a toggle switch, because remember we changed it from the panel switch back to the ignition. And then as well on the radiator there's a bolt that's not correct, the bracket. So now one side of the intercooler is pressing against the radiator, and I'm just afraid that it's gonna pull through and it's gonna damage the brand new radiator. And then if that's done, then we can go. But yeah guys, that's it. That's all I'm gonna do now for this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Do not forget to like, and then I'll see you guys for the next video. Enjoy. Cheers.